Hey everyone, Eric. Welcome to the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life chose me. Wanted to give you a little clip this week from our All About Coffee class. It's a free class that you can take over on freshgroundroast.com/class. It's all about how coffee gets from the farm through all the processing methods, shipped and roasted and into your cup. It's a great class. It's free. You can take it at freshgroundroast.com/class. Until then, enjoy this clip. What do you need to look for as you're looking at all of those different bags of coffee beans on the shelf? The most important thing that you're going to look for in a bag of coffee beans is that somewhere on the bag there needs to be a roast date on the bag. On our coffee bags, they're on the back label. Some guys put them on the bottom. It doesn't matter as long as there is a roast date. The roast date is different than an expiration date. An expiration date in some states is just a requirement that you have to have on there. Coffee beans don't go bad like milk goes bad, so sometimes the expiration date could be a year after that. But the roast date is an indication that the roaster that made that coffee, that put it in the bag, is concerned about freshness. Coffee starts to degrade very, very quickly after it is initially roasted. The gases, the great smells and oils that are in the bag tend to escape very quickly. So having the roast date on the bag tells you when that coffee was roasted and gives you an idea of how fresh it's going to be when you actually brew it.